Hi everyone, Rick Rosen here from the BRRRR Thrive team. Today we're diving into an incredibly exciting strategy, making all cash offers using other people's money for your next real estate investment. Have you ever faced the frustration of losing out on a below market property because someone else swooped in with an all cash offer? Well, fret no more. We're here to help you flip the script and win those deals in 2025. The first step is absolutely crucial. Get pre-qualified through our amazing sister company, Investment Funding, for making all cash offers. Here's how it works. Instead of struggling with hard money loans or mortgages, an investor steps in to secure the property with an all cash offer on your behalf. This enables you to take title of that coveted property immediately, even while you're still finalizing your mortgage. Why go all cash? It primarily offers three huge advantages. First advantage, cost efficiency. All cash offers typically save around 10% off the asking price. For instance, a $100,000 property might be acquired for $90,000 with an all cash offer thanks to its irresistible appeal to sellers. Second advantage, minimal competition. Cash offers largely sidestep the headache of competing bids, skyrocketing your chance of swift acceptance. 3. Third advantage, defined closing date. With all cash offers, you'll enjoy a clear closing schedule, allowing you to seamlessly coordinate with your construction crew to start renovations immediately after taking possession. Wonder how you can accomplish all of this while still processing a mortgage? That's why partnering with our amazing sister company for pre-approval is essential. You'll be part of a special program designed to empower investors to make strategic all-cash offers. If you have any questions, feel free to text or email me. Contact details will be available with this podcast. Thank you for joining us at the BRRR Thrive Team podcast.